Friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy and beautiful knitting pattern. This pattern can be used for making a shawl, scarf, blanket, cardigan, sweater, etc. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 12 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 add stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 19 stitches on my needle, 16 multiple of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 add stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern, right side. Slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, yarn in back, knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. In this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have 2 stitches, yarn in back, knit 1 and knit the edge stitch also. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches from here to here. Third row, right side. Third row will be same as of the row 1. So let's complete this row. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches in the fourth row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches from here to here. Fifth row, slip the edge stitch, then slip 2 stitches on right needle, 1 and 2. Now we will do slip slip knit like this. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn over, knit 1, again yarn over. Now here is 1 purl stitch and 1 knit stitch, so slip 2 stitches, knit twice on right needle, then knit third stitch, pass over these 2 slipped stitch over this knit stitch like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn over, knit 1 stitch, yarn over. Here is 1 purl stitch and 1 knit stitch, so slip 2 stitches, knit twice on the right needle. Next knit the third stitch, then pass over 2 slipped stitch over the knit stitch like this. Repeat one more time. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 2 stitches knitwise on the right needle, knit next stitch, pass over 2 slipped stitch over the knit stitch like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. At the last I have 4 stitches, so yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. 6th row, slip the edge stitch, then purl all the stitches from here to here. Seventh row, slip the edge stitch, then yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back, knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. 8th row, slip the edge stitch, then purl all the stitches in the 8th row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches from here to here. 9th row, 9th row will be same as of a row 7. So let's complete this row. 10th row, slip the edge stitch, then purl all the stitches in the 10th row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches from here to here. 11th row, slip the edge stitch, then knit 1 stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn over. Here is 1 purl and 1 knit stitch, so slip 2 stitches knitwise on the right needle, knit the next stitch, then pass over 2 slipped stitch over the knit stitch like this, then yarn over, knit 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn over, slip 2 stitches knitwise on the right needle, then knit next stitch, pass over 2 slipped stitches over the knit stitch like this, yarn over, knit 1 stitch. Repeat one more time, yarn over, slip 2 stitches knitwise on the right needle, knit next stitch, pass over 2 slipped stitch over the knit stitch, yarn over, knit 1 stitch. Repeat one more time, yarn over, slip 2 stitches on the right needle, knit next stitch, pass over 2 slipped stitches over the knit stitch, yarn over, knit 1 stitch. In this way we will complete our 11th row. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. 12th row, slip the edge stitch, then purl all the stitches in the 12th row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 12 rows, our pretty pattern is ready like this. We will repeat our row 1 to 12 for the desired length of the pattern. I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.